Have you ever wondered what style in wood furniture is? What does the word represent about the furniture piece? Style in wood furniture encompasses a broad spectrum of design principles, aesthetics, and cultural influences that shape how wooden pieces are crafted, presented, and appreciated. At its essence, style in wood furniture is not merely a reflection of trends or fads. It represents a deeper connection to history, craftsmanship, and individual expression. Understanding the various dimensions of style in wood furniture allows us to appreciate its significance in our homes and lives. One of the fundamental aspects of style in wood furniture is the material itself. Wood has been a favored material for furniture making for centuries, valued for its durability, versatility, and natural beauty. The character of wood is defined by its grain patterns, colors, and textures, which can vary significantly depending on the species. This inherent variability allows for a wide range of design possibilities, from the rustic charm of reclaimed wood to the sleek elegance of polished hardwoods. Each piece of furniture tells a story through its material, and the choices made by craftsmen contribute to the overall style and aesthetic of the finished product. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish contemporary wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make for profit from home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The craftsmanship involved in creating wood furniture also plays a crucial role in defining its style. Skilled artisans employ various techniques, such as joinery, carving, and finishing, to bring their designs to life. The level of craftsmanship can greatly influence the perception of a piece, as well-crafted furniture often exudes a sense of quality and attention to detail that mass-produced items may lack. This emphasis on craftsmanship is particularly evident in styles that prioritize traditional techniques, where the hand of the maker is felt in every curve and detail. The artistry involved in wood furniture not only enhances its beauty, but also elevates it to a level of significance that resonates with both the creator and the consumer. Additionally, style in wood furniture can be influenced by historical contexts and cultural movements. Throughout history, different eras have embraced distinct design philosophies, each leaving its mark on furniture styles. For example, the ornate designs of the Baroque period contrast sharply with the clean lines and functional forms of mid-century modernism. Each style reflects the values, aesthetics, and technological advancements of its time. Understanding these historical influences can deepen our appreciation for wood furniture, as we recognize how it has evolved and adapted to changing tastes and societal norms. Moreover, the cultural background of a particular style can add layers of meaning to wood furniture. Different cultures have unique approaches to design, which can be seen in the motifs, forms, and techniques used in their furniture. For instance, Japanese furniture often emphasizes minimalism and natural materials, reflecting a deep respect for nature and simplicity. In contrast, Scandinavian design is known for its functionality and clean lines, often incorporating light woods to create bright and airy spaces. These cultural nuances inform the style of wood furniture, allowing it to serve as a bridge between aesthetics and cultural identity. The concept of style in wood furniture is also closely tied to functionality. While beauty and aesthetics are essential, the practical use of furniture cannot be overlooked. Different styles prioritize various aspects of functionality, from adaptability and modularity in contemporary designs to the robust craftsmanship of traditional pieces. A well-designed piece of furniture should not only look good, but also cater to the needs of its users. This balance between style and functionality is crucial in determining the overall appeal of wood furniture, as it must serve a purpose while also enhancing the environment in which it resides. Another important factor in the style of wood furniture is the influence of contemporary trends. As society evolves, so do design preferences. Modern styles often reflect current values, such as sustainability and minimalism, leading to a rise in the popularity of eco-friendly materials and streamlined designs. The integration of technology into furniture design has also influenced contemporary styles, with innovative solutions for storage and functionality becoming increasingly important. These trends shape how wood furniture is perceived and utilized in modern homes, allowing it to remain relevant and appealing to new generations of consumers. Personal expression plays a significant role in defining style in wood furniture as well. Homeowners today are increasingly seeking pieces that resonate with their individual tastes and lifestyles. This desire for personalization has led to a growing appreciation for unique, handcrafted items that reflect the personality of the owner. Customization options, such as choosing finishes, colors, and designs, allow individuals to curate their living spaces in ways that feel authentic and meaningful. In this context, style becomes a reflection of the homeowner's identity, transforming furniture into an extension of their personal narrative. The emotional connection that wood furniture can evoke is another aspect of its style. Many individuals have fond memories associated with wooden pieces, whether it's a family heirloom passed down through generations or a handcrafted item acquired during a significant life event. These emotional ties can enhance the perceived value of wood furniture, making it more than just a functional item, but a cherished part of one's home and history. This emotional resonance contributes to the overall style of wood furniture, as it embodies the stories and experiences of those who inhabit the space. Moreover, the interplay between different styles can create unique and eclectic environments. Many homeowners today embrace a mix-and-match approach, combining various styles and periods to create personalized spaces. This blending of aesthetics allows for creative expression and the opportunity to showcase diverse influences. For instance, pairing a rustic wooden table with modern chairs can create a visually striking contrast that tells a story of both tradition and innovation. This eclecticism highlights the versatility of wood furniture and its ability to adapt to various design philosophies. Sustainability is also becoming an increasingly important consideration in the style of wood furniture. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many consumers are seeking out furniture made from responsibly sourced materials. This shift has led to a rise in the popularity of reclaimed wood, which not only adds character and history to pieces, but also contributes to a more sustainable approach to design. Furniture that embodies eco-friendly practices resonates with consumers who prioritize environmental consciousness, adding another layer of meaning to the style of wood furniture. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish contemporary wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make for profit from home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.